Welcome to the City of Pinole Parks Master Plan Workshop 1 video. My name is Zachary Meading, and I'll walk you through this presentation. The Parks Master Plan is intended to be a guide and implementation tool for the successful development of parks and recreation facilities now and in the future. Most importantly, it's developed based off of local community input. The process is broken up into 5 stages. First, an inventory of the existing conditions. Next, an extensive community engagement effort. Then we balance those two with the needs analysis, ultimately developing the recommendations and tied to funding and implementation strategies. The project will be conducted over a period of 10 months, starting in April of 2023 and concluding in January of 2024. The beginning of the project started with a review of the existing documentation, the City of Pinole housing element, the general plan update, as well as the community guide and information that is currently being published on programs and facilities within the community. Next, we go through an inventory of the parks and facilities, and we found to date 14 city parks, 1 aquatic facility, 1 tennis court, and 3 community recreation centers. You can see on this map, there's an equal distribution of facilities across the City of Pinole. What we do as we go through this process, we look at this distribution in relationship to the land use, to the zoning, where are residential communities, where are neighborhoods, and where are trails? And how do they create the network that it is our parks and recreation system here in the City of Pinole? Looking at the demographics, the 2020 population was just over 19,500. Ages ranging from 25 to 34 are the largest age group within the community. Average household size comes in at 2.83. This information is just one tool that we utilize to assess what the community may want in terms of parks and recreation. Next, we'll go through our community engagement outreach strategies, including stakeholder interviews, community workshops, as well as a dedicated project website. On that dedicated project website, you'll be able to see the progression of the project as we move along. Information will be shared back on this project website with each community outreach opportunity, as well as you can click on the feedback button and we can hear your voice at any point in time throughout the process. I encourage you to click on the link below and take the survey. Also, visit PinoleParksMasterPlan.com regularly to see project updates, hear information about future community workshops to get involved, and remember, share this information with your friends, family, and fellow community members so everyone can have a voice as part of this Park Master Plan. Thank you very much for watching this video presentation. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and ideas on the future of parks and recreation facility in the City of Pinole.